So this is what we... Oh, she's going in the house. Oh, we're cooking out at the homestead. We got fish, roasted curry, sesame potatoes, and chicha. Pimba! The dog is running everywhere. What? We got Chef Omar, Chef Muhammad. Let's see. Woo. Looks good. Oh, it smells good. Y'all got the plates clean? Plates ready? Where's the beans?
Over here.
Oh, the beans are done?
Yep.
There's Mama Sonia. There's Ollie. Ollie with the flowery pants. Why are you looking at his pants like that, Mohammed? Why are you looking at his pants? No, his sarali. His sarali. No, what's flower? Maua. Maua wingi. Uh-huh. We want to make it. I know. But maybe he wants a little color in his life, right?
Can I find the plate?
Can you find the what? The plates? Yeah, the pink plates. They in the bottom, underneath the sink. Under the sink. In the plastic container.
Ken, you got any of these little sliders? We forgot to buy it at Juma.
A slider.
Halak.
I don't know. Ali, check the containers. Check, Ali, over there.
No, you cannot go in here.
There's Pimba trying to get into Mama Sonia's tiny house. Here, Pimba. Pimba. I don't know where she's going. She ready to go back into her spot. Boy, that fish smells good. No, hey, but why are you gonna put that in the plastic? It's gonna melt the plastic, Omar.
Yeah.
Yes, it will. Get the other dish.
Yeah, not plastic.
Don't put the plastic. It should be the ceramic dish that. Where's the other ceramic dish? Oh, he got a fish in it.
What, I hear the plate?
No, he needs something to take the fish out with so it won't burn the plastic.
Oh, here.
Here, Omar. Come. Mama Sonia have something.
Yes, I do. All right, so you can put it in here.
Yeah. And then that way you can set it to the side. Omar. Omar. Give me that, please. Omar, give it to me, please. Mama Sonia has something for you.
Okay, we are drying.
Omar,
Put them in there, Omar.
which one you want?
I want to cook.
You're going to put...
Yeah, that's cooked.
You are ready?
Yeah. Ooh, that looks good.
Looks like a steak. Ooh.
Ken, the
The-
gun will cut.
Pimba. She just sat. She just sat right there in front of the door. Pimba, come.
Omar here.
What you eating ahead, Omar? Wash it over here. You gonna wash it out? It's finished, Maliza. Okay. Where's Tiffany? Oh, Tiffany's over there. Tiffany over there eating. Tiffany's supposed to be bringing you more greens. She over there eating. Okay, I'm going to go take this and put it in the compost. Look at her. She's supposed to be over there. Omar, you left this fish stuff out here. This is what we do here. Just let y'all see the craziness. Nah, we have a good time. Let's see. I'm going to put this over in the compost because it's drawing flies. Let's throw it right in there. Oh, I'll get it later. So we got papaya off the tree. Let me show you the papaya. Where all this water come from? Where all this water come from? Oh. So this papaya is from that tree. Cover this. Did y'all take all the plates out and wash them?
Oh, I did
Take the plates out and wash. What you doing? You supposed to be washing now. What you doing? The soap is under the sink. Hand him the soap. You giving that to Omar like that? Mm-hmm. Why? Y'all crazy. Omar cuckoo. Omar, you eating the fish head?
Hey, self-service.
Oh, no, it's one.
Huh?
No.
Food is ready.
Tiffany.
The rice is indoors or outside? Inside your kitchen?
Bring the pot of rice off the stove in the kitchen for Mama Sonia.
Yeah, let's all put it, let everybody eat. Oh, that head is nice.
That's what Omar said he want to eat the head. You gonna eat the head, Omar?
I like.
You like it? All right. It's time to eat. It got you in the eye? You okay? Dangerous cooking. This kind of cooking need a hazardous sign. You need a hazmat. You need a hazmat certificate. All right. This is African Ocean Homestead. We're getting ready to plate up the food. We got enough spoons and forks for everybody.
Everybody can eat with their fingers here. You know.
So this is gonna be our little eat out area. We're getting ready to set up to eat. All right. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Peace out. There's Chef Omar. Say bye, Omar. Say Kwaheri.
Kwaheri.